Let's make this the best day in Ingrid's life, shall we? What do we have for her?
Let's do it. Let's have her win a steam shower and a pair of motorcycles. First, relax in this revolutionary shower featuring a built-in steam room, hot tub, acupressure massage, TV, stereo system, hands-free phone, even a refrigerator for cold drinks from MyBathUSA.com. And second, a pair of Kawasaki KX100 motorcycles with 6-speed transmission and digital ignition. Good luck.
$5,247 is the price we have. Hi, Rachel. How you doing? That goes to either the fancy pants shower we have there or the 2 motorcycles. Where does that go? If you're right, you're going to run it off. The motorcycles, she says, is $5,247, not the fancy pants shower. When I say 3, flip it up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I wanted to give away the fancy pants shower. Ingrid, I'm sorry. You got the computer. And you're going to spin the wheel later on, all right? Let's get another contestant up here right away. Go ahead.